Hello, my name is Theresia Hartaulina Purba. I am 28 years old. I work at Junior High School number 1 Tanjung Jabung Timur, Jambi Province. I have worked as a teacher for 5 years. I'm teaching science, workshop, and environmental education. The fact that Japanese education system has many similarities with Indonesian education system, including the time in spent pursuing elementary to university, learning prioritize character over value, and there are schools don't use cleaning service to clean the class, but every student ability to clean its bus.
My motivation to participate in Bantu Guru Melihat Dunia was to find out how the education system in Japan was implemented. First, based on the result of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development Research, entitled Education at Glance 2018, proportion of 15 years old achieving at least proficiency level 2 in mathematics occupies the second position. Second reason for the history of the Japanese education system very interesting after World War. According to Bjork 2005, Japanese education after World War II was designed to serve a rapidly modernization society. Schools are organized to enable teachers to learn more about students in world-class situations, and they are quite efficient. This makes me want to learn about education system in Japan, gain experience in the learning process directly, by the ability to teach and share my experience with my fellow teacher and others in my environment.
That was a short movie about me and my motivation to take a part Bantu Guru Melihat Dunia activity, and I hope it will be useful, and see you again. Bye bye.